welcome back to Physics on MiyoshiTV. I'm Mike Miyoshi still, and behind the camera is my middle son Peter. He might be asking questions every once in a while. If you read my blog at mediocreman.com, he is also known as Thing 2. Anyway, today we're going to talk about a little bit about physics, but we're going to talk mostly about scalars and vectors. You've already seen scalars before in your math. Anytime you add two numbers, that's usually scalars, but vectors are a little bit different. So let me tell you a little bit about them. Scalars have only magnitude, and vectors have magnitude and direction. Some examples of scalars are distance, height, speed, and mass. They have just a quantity. For distance, that might be in feet, inches, meters, centimeters. Height, again, those same units. Speed might be in miles per hour, inches per second, meters per second, etc. Mass, for most physics, will be in kilograms. And here's some examples as well in terms of magnitudes. Would be the distance of 3 feet or a mass of 10 kilograms. Vectors are a little bit different. Vectors have both magnitude and direction. Well, what does that mean? Well, if you're driving in a car, you're walking on your out there on the path somewhere, you have a direction you're going as well as either a distance or a displacement, or you might have a speed and a direction, which is velocity. So some examples of that would be displacement, how far you've gone in a certain direction, velocity, what speed you're going in a certain direction, a force, and acceleration. Again, those have directions and magnitude. A couple examples of vectors might be a displacement of 3 feet to the north, or a distance of 3 feet to the north, a force of 98 kilograms toward the center of the earth, which would be your weight if you weighed 10 kilograms. So, vectors and scalars, they are slightly different. And again, you have vectors have magnitude and direction, and scalars have only magnitude. You're going to learn a lot more about them. We're going to use them a lot. I need to just show you a little bit about them here, and then next time we'll learn a little bit about how to add vectors and maybe even refresh on how to add scalars as well. So, tune in again next time to MiyoshiTV Physics with Mike Miyoshi, and my cameraman's taking notes instead of focusing on the last shot there. YouTube.com/user/MiyoshiTV. Welcome to Physics.